Go.
Okay, so now that we've organized, we're ready to do a count. We're gonna start with our softs. These do have a wrap around them. This is the time to break them. So you would break that wrap, you'd throw it into your basin, into the trash, and you'd start. So laps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ratex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice how we're dropping. This is called the drop technique. I'm also sliding my finger back as I put the next one down. That just helps me out. Suture 1 and 2, and I'm pointing to them and I'm showing the circulator. We're also counting the needle itself, not the strand. So suture 1, 2, blade 1, hypo 1, peanuts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scratch pad 1 and Bovie tip, we're removing it because this is the part that we're counting, not the rest of it. So Bovie tip 1. Now we can move on to our instruments. I'm going to start from left and go right. So I'm going to start with my knife handles, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to keep one in my hand so that I can count my instruments. So mosquitoes, 1, 2, curved crowels, 1, 2, 3. Oops, that is not where it belongs. Hi, thank you. Okay, curved crowels, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also notice how I'm holding this with my left hand. Your left hand should not be hanging out here as you move. It should be holding your clamps so that it's kind of secured and easier for you. Straight crowels, 1, Kelly's, 1, 2, 3, 4, peons, 1, 2, 3, 4, Alice, 1, 2, 3, 4, Babcock, 1, 2, 3, 4, Coker, 1, 2, 3, 4, tonsils, 1, 2, right angle, 1, 2, needle driver, 1, 2, 3, scissors, 1, 2, 3, ring forceps, 1, 2, 3, and then these get a little bit tricky back here. Non-penetrating, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then penetrating, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At this point, I clamp these because they're a pain and they get opened. So I just clamp them down like that. Forceps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suction, we have one up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retractors, we have 2 up here on the Mayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then I do a little swoop just to make sure there's nothing on this end because sometimes our ribbon retractor gets lost back here and you don't want to be looking over like this because our face would be too close. So I like to do a little swoop with my hand and just move that if I need to. Also when we count, I know I said it goes from left to right and then we go around, but we always start with our Mayo. And this will be while we're doing our other counts as well. We're always going to start with our Mayo and then our back table. So make sure you don't forget those 2 items there. When you're counting laps as well, what I didn't do is you can go 1, 2, 3, and your last 2 or your first 2, however you want to do that, have to go up on your Mayo because you need 2 laps to begin with. So just put them up there.